this is Bricks from Headlights. We're back with another video. So today we'll be talking about the SC Mini, or the R110 SC Mini to be exact. So this is an LED RF remote for single color strips. You can control the dimming or the brightness of the strips using this remote. So right now it's set at 100%. You can set it to 50. You can see the light that it's controlling is actually dimmed down. 25%, 10%, and you can even adjust it further. You can also even work with different modes of strobing on the lights. You can control the speed of that mode of strobing. Sorry, now it's like flashing. Yep, there. One troubleshooting tip for the R110 SC Mini would be sometimes this remote would not function or respond to the controller that it comes with. The troubleshooting step for that one would be to press and hold the 50% button and the 10% button at the same time until the light indicator blinks. So there should be a flashing there and it should respond to the remote now. This is Bricks again from Headlights. Have a nice day and stay safe, alright?